This art commission almost had me crying like 1,000 times, and I must explain to you why right now. This is a friend that passed away, and that was the project of this artwork. Drawn them in heaven, like all happy and talking with friends and everything. The client asked me to draw their friend, just having a chill, nice time talking with them and relaxing, and oh boy. Oh boy, the amount of sadness that I felt, because whenever I'm drawing something, I truly like to get into that, like get into the mood, feel the emotions that is there, that is happening there. So I was like, oh damn, all this peace and everything, So I did my very best to pass the emotions of tranquility, peacefulness, a great sunset in the sky while you're just walking by close to the water in a very chill day, and that's what I did. I have added some base colors as always, thought about some reflections, some main light, and then after adding that very base, I changed everything. I changed completely how this character was looking. Why? Because I understood that I was taking it into the anime style, but I was getting too much into my emotions and I forgot that what I truly enjoy is realistic style. Always remember that whenever you are getting taken by your emotions, you may forget other stuff. You may forget, that's correct. You are going to forget the basic of, hey, what is my art style again? Hey, how is the way that I render again? Oh, yeah, okay. So it's important whenever you're trying anything out that it's new, that it's something that you are a little bit out of touch. Get yourself a nice paper and write down the main points that you always do on your art, because you probably will forget. Whenever we are walking so much into unknown waters, the chances of us just getting lost and feeling like, oh, damn, crap, what is happening? That is a high chance, and we do not want that risk, because if we get that risk too far away, the chances of you getting frustrated, feeling sad or anxious with your art get high. So how to avoid that? Always remember, hey, what is my base? Hey, what is the type of style that I'm looking for? What is the type of rendering that I'm looking for? What are the type of colors that I'm looking for? And that's what I did in this fantastic, amazing, a masterpiece work of. In the middle of the process, I kept on reinventing myself. I kept on challenging myself. I always come back for safety, but always going further for something new and different. This is one of the few artworks that I did that I focus a lot into getting very soft colors. That's right, very soft and balanced colors. I focus into doing that a ton of lot in this artwork. But if you ask me, Gabs, do you used to have crazy bright colors on your drawings and no dark ones? No, that's a big no. I always like to have both extremes, but in this one I felt like, hey, do you know what? I want to show how chill this moment is of all the friends talking together and just having a laugh and all of that happening. In the middle of the process, more stuff happened. I changed it to show the chat, the conversations. I changed it from a notebook, from a laptop into an iPad, because iPad makes more sense than to have a notebook being held in that way. It would probably be very uncomfortable to hold a laptop that way. So I changed to an iPad, which is much easier, less buttons and just screen. People love screen, so that's correct. I made so many details on everywhere I could into his fur to show the little angel he is. He's so cute and everything. Make the background full of gold and stuff that could look like divine or angelical. Very important whenever you're drawing something that you're not used to go and do a research. Like, I don't know much about heaven stuff, not as much as I used to know. So I was like, okay, let's search a little bit more. If it was a cartoon, how would I portray that in the most easy, simplistic way? Oh, this way? Yeah, this way is nice, easy to understand, cool. Never take yourself as someone not wise, as someone not smart, just because you need to do extra search or just gather some more reference, because reference is your friend. It's not something bad to be humble and understand that you need help. We need help. Bro, we do need help. And that's something amazing to understand, to enlighten yourselves and see, hey, maybe I do need help. Maybe I do need other people to help me get into this place. Because I understand that alone, the road's going to be much harder. Alone, it's going to be almost impossible. So let's humble ourselves and get like, heck yeah, how can I do this better? And it was loads of fur. And for those that already got it, you can see the main composition being blues and oranges. Like, it's full of blues and oranges. in this piece. Fantastic piece. I love this so much. So much. Champs, whenever you're making artwork, you gotta get into the mood as number 1. And after the mood, what is your purpose with that mood as number 2. Number 3, I hope you are taking notes if you have trouble to follow a step-by-step process that you create, because this one that I'm telling you right now is much easier. 1, emotion. 2, purpose. Number 3, start trying out gesture and composition. That's right, no details, zero anatomy. The most crazy and horrible sketches you have ever done. Now it's the time to make them and show them to the whole world. Yeah, it's going to be a worthwhile moment, because who would not like to start humble? That's right, today we are having a humbling humble class. In this humbling humble class, we understand that we gotta make that ugly sketch to get into the good sketch. And after getting to the good sketch, we gotta get into the ugly colors. And then after the ugly colors, we are going to get into the good colors. And so we keep going on. We gotta pass through the ugly rendering to get into the good rendering. It's a non-stop cycle that keeps on repeating again and again and again and again and again and again. Champs, whenever you're painting hair, whenever you're painting fur, because I know most of you are here because you enjoyed the way that I paint or draw fur in some kind of way. It inspires you, even if it's one person. So what I gotta tell you is sometimes you're gonna overdo it, and that's fine. Just get a big airbrush and paint that. Paint that with low opacity, and you're gonna see that extra detail that you did vanish. And that's not something bad. It's going to look even more fabulous. Not every single place deserves to get crazy amount of details. Not every single place deserves to get 0 details. Some places you gotta do more, some places you gotta do less. No matter what is your art style, you're gonna notice that certain areas in your drawing, they're going to go like, haha, attention, and others gonna go like, don't look at me, please, don't look at me, please, forget about me. And I have been using a lot into my drawings Shutterstock and what is the name? Free Peek images, where you pay to be able to use the image in your drawing. So you can use it, can be a texture, it can be an icon, it can be anything you want, and then you can use that in your job, and that saves me so much time. I have seen some artists that work for games doing that, and I was like, bruh, let me try it. I don't want to be someone close-minded that just see it and go like, ew, it's not just drawing. No, I want to be open to it. And when I was trying that, I was like, oh, make my artwork look even more cooler, make my artwork get finished even faster. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that. I'm no way turning back from it. I'm gonna use it to the day I die. That's right, because it's lovely, because it's amazing, because it's wholesome. Save your time however you can when drawing, when you are doing repetitive stuff. That's right, I mean not about long textures, or like you're drawing a bouquet of roses. Is that how you say that? A full stuff of roses of flowers. And let's say you have already drawn so many flowers in your life and detailed them, and you're like, bruh, I gotta draw that again. Pick that past drawing that you did, copy and paste that. Or you can use a texture from those galleries online that they let you pay to have the rights of the image into your work and everything. There are so many ways to make it happen. Don't let yourself get into the, oh, I gotta detail you that one little thing in the corner, because if I don't, I will probably die. Yeah, I will die. I will be not a good artist. That's right. Only good artists are the ones that do everything and suffer. Well, you can think that. You can think a lot of stuff. We all can think a lot of stuff, but is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Only you can answer that. I cannot answer that. Only you can answer what makes sense to you and what doesn't. Champs, thank you very much for watching this video, this speed paint time lapse. I love you all. If you want to learn to draw with me like these techniques in this video, link the description for my art platform, which I am sure that is going to help you improve your art a lot than just seeing random videos of tutorials in the internet. They may help you, yes, of course they help you, but the chances of you seeing a recommended video that it's a funny doggo in the way and get you away from your focus is much higher than inside of something made for you to only focus. Love you all the love, all the peace. Bye bye.